What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. I am Kimmy if you are new here. Today we are going to be doing a winter haul part. I don't even know what part it is anymore for something like that. We are almost done with the series Teal, but not to worry, y'all know I'll be back with other fashion videos. If you haven't checked out part 1, 2, 3 and whatever other parts, make sure you go check that out. Without further ado, let's go. This jacket is so cute, and my favorite color is blue, so this jacket is like everything. It's like a pop-up color that I want. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I got this jacket in a size extra large and it looks like it's extra small because this jacket is so cute. So y'all, here's to hoping that it fits so I don't have to return it. It fits so good. And I guess y'all, just feel like it's so small. Did it look small? Like, I guess it just looks so small when you take it out of the package, but I love this jacket so much. Y'all know I like something with a pop-up color, and this blue jacket is like everything. Now I gotta get me some blue customs, y'all. Oh my gosh. I gotta get me a pair of blue custom shoes. Maybe like some blue glitter, royal blue. Oh, and maybe like some black laces, and maybe the check can be glitter black. What? I definitely would have got an extra large. I definitely would have got my size. Maybe if you want like a little looser, size up. But this jacket fits right, just right. Like, you don't have that much wiggle room. If you get your size, it's gonna be like your size to the T. Like, it's gonna fit. So if you wanted a little bigger or like a little looser, I would definitely say size up. But oh my gosh, y'all, this jacket is so cute. Tell me what you think. All right, next, y'all, is this Mindset shirt from the AM Clothing, my clothing brand. And I absolutely love this shirt, y'all, because it has so many colors. Y'all know I like shirts with a lot of colors. You can pull out the pink, the blue, the orange, the purple, and you know you gotta set it up with some matching shoes. What? And then a matching jacket too. Pull one of these colors out, tie it with your shoes. Oh my gosh, y'all, that would be so fire. Like, yes, this shirt is in a size large. It's definitely true to size, so definitely get your size. If you want it a little baggy, I say size up. But yes, y'all, this is one of my favorite shirts to date. And I have the link to all of these clothes down in the description. I absolutely love a shirt with a good message, y'all, because what is life without mindset? If you don't have the right mindset, where are you going, right? If you have like this lazy mindset, or if you have a I can't do it mindset, or I won't do it, you're never going to get anywhere. So this is a great reminder. Check your mindset. Your mindset can set you up for success, or it can set you up for failure. So I absolutely love this shirt. Y'all know I like a shirt with a message because it always keeps me focused. It lets me know, check your mindset. Despite whatever is going on around you, your mindset is what's going to help you prevail. And I definitely would have to pair this shirt up with my glitter blue forces, y'all, that I got customized from ClaysCustoms. I absolutely love these shoes, y'all. I've worn them and worn them and worn them, and the glitter is still holding tight. So shout out to ClaysCustoms. I'll put the information down in the description. But yes, I definitely pair it. Bring out this teal right here. I mean, I could bring out the purple, I could bring out the orange, I could bring out the other colors, but the teal is just so unique. Like, or baby blue, whatever, you know, you can go with either color because it's like a blend in the shirt. But who's walking around with some teal or some glitter shoes? So tell me what y'all think. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. Whew. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I had to do a little shimmy, a little shake, a little jump, a little wiggle to get in these pants. So like I said in the previous videos, these pants are a size 15. I thought, oh, I lost a little weight, you know, I can get a 15. I usually get a 1X in my pants. I would definitely say in these pants, get your size. Don't size down unless you want it to be like really tight and really fitted. You know, sometimes those looks work, but I like to be able to breathe, honey. I don't want to be looking like the movie White Chicks with everything just busting open. No, I don't need those problems, honey. I don't need those problems. So I would have definitely gotten a 1X in these pants, so I'm actually going to probably send them back and exchange them for my actual size. But I mean, they fit. Like, what do you guys think? In the previous videos, y'all know I got like all different colors. I like different color pants, every color pants, so that it can match everything. Like, you have to have a pair of pants of every color because you never know, you know? You never know when it's gonna pull something out of a shirt, how it's gonna match your shoes, how it's gonna match your jacket. So you gotta have pants of every color, y'all. So I would definitely recommend. And I'm gonna buy the rest of the colors. I think in the other videos I got a couple colors, and in the next video I got another color that I'm gonna show you guys. But I would definitely recommend these. These are so cute. They match my teal shoes. I would not go all teal unless it really just made sense. If I had like a white and blue crop top and these pants and then some teal and white shoes, my teal and white glitter customs, then I probably would have did that. But yeah, actually that might be cute. But anyway, yeah, I actually like these. These are super cute, y'all. Definitely recommend. Child. Honey. Sugar honey iced tea. Oh, snap. I'm gonna tell you already. These pants, go get them. I really don't have that many cargo pants, but these pants make me want to get all of them. These pants are so cute. I like stuff that have a lot going on, y'all. Y'all already know that. But this is so cute. I like the little tassel that's hanging from the side. The pockets on the side are deep. They have so many pockets. Like, it's a real pocket on this side, it's deep. A real pocket on this side. I like the red that's hanging right here. It's a pocket on the knee. It's a little small pocket. I don't know, wait a minute, hold up now. Actually, this pocket is deep. It's narrow, but it's deep. Like, it goes all the way down here. So it's about that wide. But like, I'm not even gonna show you my hand because I know it's gonna be wrong. But about that deep, it goes like all the way down to your shin. These pants are so cute. And you can pull the string, you know, with all of the pants and make it a little tighter at the waist. Because, you know, sometimes if it's kind of heavy at the bottom, the top or the waist part is kind of like saggy. But you can like pull the string and make it tighter, and it's already like elastic. So yes, oh my gosh. And then the pockets on the back kind of make me a little sad because they're not real pockets on the back. Y'all know how I feel about pants with false pockets. Oh my gosh, like no. Please make the pockets real. We got stuff we gotta put in there. Don't deceive me, the trickery, the deceit, no. It needs to be a real pocket. But anyway, it have a lot of other pockets, so I'm not even gonna trip. Yeah, I got these pants in my actual size, and I would definitely say get your actual size, not your extra size, your actual size. These pants are so cute, y'all. I absolutely love them. I cannot wait to wear them. I'm trying to think, oh my gosh. I got a couple pair of shoes that I can wear with these pants. Let me know what you guys think. Actually, I got 3 pair of shoes because the bands from, I want to say the first video, like the red and white bands with the bolt on the side. If you haven't seen the first video, go back and check those out. But I can wear those with these, or I could either wear one of these 2 pairs. So I actually got 3 pair of shoes that I can wear with them. Y'all, those will be really nice together. Yeah, I got these Camo Babe Customs that I can wear with it because they got the red, white, and black. All these colors, blue, black, red, and white, that I can wear with these. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. It's just, oh, the excitement, you know. But anyway, y'all fashion people who actually love fashion, my girls who like to shop, y'all know what I mean. Like the feeling when you get a nice outfit and when you put it together in your head and you just like, oh my gosh, the outfit is gonna be so nice. Yeah, y'all know the feeling. I'm not tripping, I'm not crazy. So do y'all think the camo ones, the camo pink and black, the babe ones? Or do you guys think these, the red, blue, black, and white ones? What do you think? So let me know in the comments what y'all think. And make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see when I style this, how I styled it. Alright y'all, and that is a wrap for today's video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram at Kimmy_Coco so you can see how I styled these outfits. Until next time.